Here's a third kind of question you can see on the exam. We want to show how sound affects students' ability to study. We put three groups of students in three different environments and have them study for a short exam. Oops, needs to be short. All right. We then give them the exam and record the scores. Okay, so here's the data. Okay, so under constant sound, the students get these grades. Under random sound, the student gets these grades, and under no sound at all, the students get these grades. So we want to find out if, and this is an environment, this sound, this kind of a sound is considered to be an environment. Okay, we want to find out if, at the very least, one of these environments leads to different grades than the other two environments. Which test should we use? Well, all we're trying to do is see if at least one of these is different. So that means we're going to use the ANOVA test. Okay, that's the answer. The ANOVA test is used when you have more than two means. So we've got three means, and we're comparing them, and we're trying to find out if at least one of them is different than the other two. That's for the ANOVA. Now that's more than two. The t-test is what you use if you have exactly two. The ANOVA is what you use if you have more than two. Okay. Now what are the alternative and the null hypotheses? Well, the null is all three of these means. In this case, we have three different means. All three are equal. The alternative is at least one of the means is different than the other two. Just at least one of them. We don't know which one when we run this test. All we're going to know is at least one of them is different. All right, so the test was run, and the p-value was this number, 0.002. What hypothesis do we choose? Well, 0.05 is much bigger than 0.002, so like usual, we choose the alternative hypothesis. All right, so that's it. That's the third kind of a question.